Hello, I am Jessica and this is Liana.
Hi!
We both love working together on the concept art team. We have great news. We are here to announce a new offering for a Spanish stamp set called Amor Sin Límite. Amor Sin Límite was translated as part of an existing suite found on pages 58 and 59 of our annual 2024 catalog. Amor Sin Límite was beautifully coordinated to have versatile labels to house heartfelt sentiments for a variety of different occasions. You can purchase Amor Sin Límite as a stamp set all on its own, or you can purchase it as part of a bundle. Liana has been working closely with this bundle, and as a treat will be sharing with all of us some of her samples.
In the first 4 samples, I would like to show you how I have used the components of the suite. The suite highly supports the newly released 2024 to 2026 in colors. These colors are Petunia Pop, Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, Summer Splash, and the return of Pretty in Pink. You can see the usage of these colors in the resin dots, in the designer series paper, and in the glimmer specialty paper. This stamp set on its own is super useful, but in these cards we can see the benefit of buying this stamp set as a bundle. These dies provide 14 different labels, more if you count the fallout pieces and the combination of labels. These labels can be used to house the sentiments as a place for other die cut elements to rest on, or just as a decorative piece.
Can you tell me more about the stamp set and the sentiments you have used in these catalog samples?
Some of these sentiments are straight translations, like on these 3 cards. But on this last one, we took some translation liberties because sometimes things do not translate exactly word for word, or real translations might change the configuration, and we'd like the sentiments to have the opportunity to fit in the labels available for the user. Jessica, why don't you translate what is said on these 4 cards?
Of course. The first card reads Felicidades, which means congratulations. Card 2 reads Hola, which means hello. Card number 3 reads Feliz Cumpleaños, which means happy birthday. And the last card reads Mi corazón está contigo, which means my heart is with you. To aid you in identifying which stamps are direct translations or adjustments, we have included the reference guide in the description of this video.
I have chosen another sample found on page 101 of our annual 2024 catalog and simply switched out the English sentiment to a Spanish one. I did this to show how you can use the stamp set outside of the suite. Here we can see it with a different designer series paper, different cardstock, embellishments, and color palette. The stamp set is so easy to mix and match with the products and tools across all our catalog and online exclusive offerings.
I see another very beautiful card here, but I do not remember seeing this card in our catalog. Can you tell me a little about this card?
Yes, again, you can see lots of mixing and matching of product on this card, but I go back to do something very fun with the bundle. I wanted to show how you can build up sentiments using multiple stamps. Here the word fe, which means faith, is coupled up with a separate sentiment in the stamp set to make it even more spectacular. Together they read in English as, faith is the certainty of things not seen. Again, I wanted to show how the dies complement the stamp set. I have taken 2 sentiment labels and combined them to give you a completely different look and feel. I really like how these pieces of the die set can mix and match together.
Liana, thank you for sharing your samples with us today. They are absolutely stunning. We hope this stamp set gets into the hands of all Spanish-speaking customers. My family in Puerto Rico were overjoyed to finally get cards in a language they can understand when we created our Spanish stamp set last year. To purchase Amor Sin Límite, reach out to one of our demonstrators or visit our online store at stampingup.com. Thank you for spending time with us today. Until next time, have fun stamping.
Bye!